Are we live?
Yes. 1, tick, tick, 2, tick, tick, 3, and we are live.
Okay,
घूम रहा है, चक्का घूम रहा है.
Why can I see only myself?
Oh, because you're the star. Yes, we are live. So welcome everyone to this funny Twinkle Twinkle Know Your Little Star stand-up comedy for the first time. The community has come together to present a stand-up comedy on the 3rd of October on our Instagram handle. So today we are here to actually give all our audience a glimpse of what they can expect on the 3rd of October, Friday. Yes, so let me begin with the famous song, and that is our हट जा रे छोकरे दे जाना ठोकरे आरेला है अपन पंगा न लेना दंगा न करना वरना मैं कर दूंगा तेरे tight fish. And that is what exactly we are here to do, tie fish. So we all know that
everyone, joke face,
absolutely. So in case you're wondering what we all are doing out here, we have come together for the first time ever to present a stand-up comedy for our teachers, by the teachers, because after all, why should students have all the fun, boss? बहुत उड़ाया, बहुत लिया, अभी हमारी बारी, अब हम लेंगे, हम उड़ाएंगे, और ऐसा उड़ाएंगे कि काट ही नहीं पाओगे. So, and the Karta Dharta, the curator of this entire show, is our Apni Genevieve Shukla. And I can't really thank you enough for actually helping us to curate this entire wild, funny, stupid program that we are coming up with, because we are actually speaking our heart out and in a funny way. Yeah, we are not going to make people cry. Pandemic ने हमें रुलाया, लेकिन हम रुलाने नहीं आ रहे, हम हंसाने आ रहे हैं. So Genevieve has been a communication coach since the past 14 years, and who better than her would have helped us to curate this entire script together, sitting with each and every one. And बाकी by the way, आप लोगों को कोई काम धंधा नहीं है आगे स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी करने? आपके प्रिंसिपल ने आपको कुछ बोला नहीं क्या? आपके पेरेंट्स ने कंप्लेन नहीं की क्या? ये टीचर तो जाके स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी करती है, मेरे बच्चों को क्या पढ़ाएगी?
हम इसीलिए स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी कर रहे हैं because all our lives, you know, for every stand up comedian, cracking jokes on teachers and education is always their plan B. Whenever they run out of jokes, they're cracking a joke on their teacher, and so we thought, since we've been such a big resource for all the comedians, why don't we tap into our own resource and crack jokes on ourselves?
No, absolutely. And that's what we have done with your help. Yeah.
That's what we are doing. That's what we are attempting. We're trying to crack jokes on ourselves and break stereotypes in the process, that teachers are also human and we also get frustrated, but we are sitting on a mountain of opportunities and they're all comical opportunities. And, we want to present that side to the audience.
Absolutely. So to begin with, the kind of madness that we have seen, and the way we have actually curated the entire content, we have actually edited, and बाकी जो बचा है सिर्फ 5 मिनट, 1 घंटे से हमने 5 मिनट edit करके जो हम लाए हैं, which is going to be a power packed performance. So starting with whom should I choose? Meenakshi.
The world is yours.
Yes. So starting with Meenakshi. So what is your favorite tagline in the entire stand-up that you're going to be putting up on Friday?
I am going to talk about teacherfulness.
Mindfulness सुना है, ये teacherfulness क्या है?
तो यही तो
teacher जब full हो जाती है.
No, my dear, teacher is full of ideas.
Wonderful. Teacherfulness. Okay. And I also have seen in your posters, you're calling yourself as Kero. So what's that?
Kero is something very, very close to my heart. And Kero means miracles. Don't we teachers create miracles? और फिर सबसे बड़ी चीज है कि केरो तो वहां से आया जो मैं आनंद महिंद्रा तक पहुंचाना चाह रही हूँ. ओ केरो. अब भाई, he has got every gadi which starts with some alphabet, but it ends in a O. Whether it is a verito, gusto, marazzo, Stalio, Duro, Mojo, Quanto, Rodeo. So Amito Kero, because I want to ask him, Anand Mahindra, Tharo, Thar Jaiye.
Tharo Thar chahiye.
Chahiye.
Yes, absolutely. And you have beautifully penned down and researched on all the cars that Mahindra has actually gotten from, I think, the first one to the last one. So that's,
See,
I think,
this is Rakhi. This is why I say that I feel like my work has been cut out. You know, because all of them, I call them my students, but they have
Absolutely.
it's
Yeah.
just the coach in me. I'm so sorry about it.
Yeah.
But look at their preparedness. You know, look at how they prepare them. So they're just
This is
full.
because
Absolutely.
that bistatic sonar in every teacher works very strongly during the pandemics. टीचर तो अंदर घर में क्या चल रहा है वो सिर्फ लेंस पे देखकर बता देते हैं, राइट? सो हमारा लैपटॉप हो या मोबाइल का स्क्रीन हो, उससे ही पता लग जाता है कि पापा क्या कर रहे हैं. And then we don't want to see any hind cleavages being shown, so we say बेटा अपना वीडियो ऑफ करो, and then we continue teaching. So teachers को इतना कुछ hilarious मिला है. So if we are able to curate it and get it to everyone, that it is not a bad time, it is actually a hilarious time. पहली बार पता लगा है सबके घर में वैसा ही खाना बनता है, सबके घर में वैसे ही बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, सबको वैसे ही डांट पड़ती है. ईस्ट और वेस्ट, मम्मी इज द बेस्ट. पड़ोसी की मम्मी इज द बेस्ट.
Oh my God. So Rakhi, this is what I believe. I believe these 5, they are teaching because they're very passionate about teaching, or else they should be film stars, movie stars, stage actors. They are born to shine.
That's why we have written Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Stars.
Oh,
Yes.
massive star, the
Massive
biggest
star.
Stars. So we
I
need
think
to know.
Shahrukh,
all this.
I think SRK is jumping now to be heard, and she calls herself SRK. Sonali Kumar calls herself SRK, even though her surname also doesn't match. But still, I want to know why she calling herself SRK. Who is this R in the center? SK तो समझ में आ गया. R कौन है बीच में?
पति का प्यार, रोहित
Oh.
कुमार.
No wonder आप अपने आप को SRK बोला. So why this SRK tag, and what is so unique about your performance that you have rather opted for the name SRK?
सिंपल, एकदम टाइम के साथ चलने का. बॉयकॉट बॉलीवुड, तो मुझे लगा SRK गया, आई शुड कम इन. दैट्स हाउ. #boycott Bollywood, #SRK. So that is one reason for an SRK. And finally there was no female SRK. भी तो सोचो कभी, तो एक तो आ गई कम से कम फीमेल SRK, उसके बदले ये, वो बादशाह तो मैं महारानी.
Awesome.
And वही है, बस लास्ट का एक है जो एक लेटेंट है चीज, उसको चेंज करके कुछ नया लेकर आना है. बस जो एक चीज लेटेंट थी वो शायद because of this it came out, so I just shuffled that word and thought that let's tickle the bone. been always, और हमेशा देखो आजकल जब से ये नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, जब से टीचर बने, कभी से पनिशमेंट ही नहीं दे पाए. हमेशा मुझे बचपन में स्टैंड अप, गो आउटसाइड द क्लास, कभी होमवर्क करते ही नहीं थे. स्टैंड अप, गो आउटसाइड द क्लास. अब मुझे मौका मिला, कभी बच्चों को तो स्टैंड अप नहीं करा पाए, अपने ही स्टैंड अप हो जाए, चलो कोई बात नहीं. लेट्स चेंज इट. ये मन में हमेशा रह गया. टीचर हमेशा पनिशमेंट देती थी मुझे, मैं स्टैंड अप नहीं हो पाती थी. हम लोग तो बेंच पे भी स्टैंड अप हो जाया करते थे. स्टैंड अप ऑन द बेंच, स्टैंड अप आउटसाइड द क्लाउड्स, विद हैंड्स अप. So let's this time change it. खड़े हो जाओ खुद से. So 2 things.
Wow.
I just want to change. I just wanted to shuffle that latent thing. That's it.
Wonderful. Thank you, Sonali. I think it also requires some amount of guts to be able to do this, because this is not everybody's cup of tea. So we had, I think, Jen, we had 30 to 40 participants for our workshop, and out of that, I think we are only so many remaining. And so yeah, pat on your back. Yeah.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. It takes courage. The number one thing that you need to have as a stand-up comedian is the willingness to stand and have people laugh at you. See, that is your aim. Your aim is that people should just laugh at you. Very few people have that aim in life. It's not a very common aim to have, that I will stand up on stage and have everyone just laugh at me. So I found these five people with a common aim, and we are presenting this. That's how we are presenting the show.
Thank you.
Okay, so moving over to Haripriya. Yes,
Yeah.
Haripriya. So what are you calling yourself?
I call myself Histrionics Priya.
Histrionics
Yeah.
Priya.
Interesting. I truly believe that all the teachers are when it comes to drama, they are the drama queens and drama kings, and we don't need to go to any national school of drama. You ask our children, they don't even realize that we are acting. Ask we are such good actors. डांटना कभी डांटना हो, प्यार करना हो, गुस्सा नहीं आता तो भी गुस्सा दिखाते हैं. प्यार तो naturally आता ही आता है. That's heart हम लोग का सबसे बड़ा ऐसा. We are large-hearted people. So histrionics, because you ask my family members also, they say, हर बार why are you emoting, you talk normally, इतना ज़्यादा emotion डाल के बात करने की क्या ज़रूरत है? You talk like us. So I think I am that is there in me. When I speak, that emotion comes, and that's why I thought I'll call myself histrionics Priya.
Yes, that is very apt, because we teachers are also, very dramatic, and I think that holds true even for mothers, I would say.
Yes.
That when it comes to our children, we are very, very dramatic. We can get very dramatic, and so it is fantastic to know that you have called yourself histrionic Priya, right? Yeah. Okay. So I really love these names. So Jen, how did they come up with these names? If you could share a bit, were you the one who prompted them, or they themselves came up with their names?
See, this is all them, Rakhi. The aim of any stand-up comedy coach is to try and get content that is based on real life and real stories. Saturday is not going to be about, reading a joke on Google and just blurring it out. That's not what we're going to do. This is about our personal journeys. And that's how, all of them came up with their own names. We even gave them free reign with choosing your own topics. So they chose their own topics. We all went on a journey together. They're family for me now. So over a month we were on a journey. That script of 1 hour is 5 concentrated minutes of great comedy, and we've learned the whole process of script writing and how to crack comedy. See, what they're really doing is very advanced. We're not only going to crack jokes, but we are going to also feature absurdism. We are going to feature a fallback. We are going to feature mimicry. All of that's coming to you on Saturday. You have to watch it to believe it. In such a short time, they're able to crack all of this.
Wow, that's wonderful. I'm sorry I got distracted, because while the live is going on, my mother-in-law was asking me if I will have some bhajiyas. Am I allowed?
Oh my God.
No. Okay.
That's criminal.
So moving over to Mrinali. Yes, Mrinali. Mrinali, I think you're calling yourself the Chuk Chuk Devi jo kabhi nahi chukti. So what is it all about? I mean, mistakes to sabse hoti hai. So what is this jo kabhi nahi chukti?
Okay, so this is on the other side of the classroom now. So as you know, the pandemic has made teachers do so many brilliant things, and with the Teachers Help Teachers platform, we came together and everyone shared this wonderful journey of bringing that comical side to them. So I have always been crazy and mad. Okay, so I just was so happy to find people who are also equally crazy and mad like me in this group. And they say, I mean, how can a teacher do comedy? Why not? I mean, a teacher can do anything. I mean, why tag us like that? So this is like going to break stereotypes and stigma. Now the reason I came up with the Chuk Chuk Devi jo kabhi chukti nahi.
You said teacher can do anything.
Yes.
The police, the nation is watching you.
Oh.
Oh, do you?
है मैं कौन हूँ? I have short-term memory loss. मैंने क्या बोला मुझे याद नहीं. Please
The
don't tell
nation
me.
wants to know, Mrinali. The nation wants to know. Okay.
So ये जो nation है ये बहुत कुछ करता है, and we've had hilarious episodes in the pandemic. We are sitting with our husbands who are so हमारा तो freedom तो है नहीं, तो मैंने सोचा चलो यही time use करते हैं, and then I came up with a lot of things that came to my mind about the instances that you come across even when you're teaching online, okay, live. And I started my first lecture and I was like, and my kids they didn't say anything, okay, they were just listening. Afterwards, after like 10 minutes, they gathered the courage and they said, ma'am, you're on mute. So, so though I am Chuk Chuk Devi, jo kabhi chukti nahi, it's going to be opposite. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to count all those instances in the live act, and it's about holding on to these mistakes and making fun of it. So मैं मजाक करने से कभी चूकती नहीं, इसलिए मैं हूँ चुक चुक देवी. So that's how it goes. Yeah.
Wonderful,
and
wonderful.
It's wonderful that they're such role models for their students, because making a mistake is actually an opportunity for you, and especially when it comes to comedy, it's a great comic opportunity. The more mistakes you have, the more content you create. So this way you motivate your children to make a few not very drastic little silly mistakes. Okay.
Absolutely, make silly mistakes and laugh over it.
They're going to be at home and they're going to look, she's my teacher, oh my god.
And please tell them that this time their mummy and daddy are allowed to watch us. Yes, finally. We will not tell them screen off.
I can already imagine the parents during the PTM saying, instead of calling us by our name, so Miss Arora, Miss Chuk Chuk Devi, oh sorry, ऐसा impression हो गया कि अभी तो
my open house is going on. Actually, I'm wondering if somebody calls me like that tomorrow.
Oh, I'm running, ma'am.
Yeah.
साबुन देना.
साबुन, आपको साबुन चाहिए?
उन पेरेंट्स को घड़ी साबुन देना, उनको बोलना वॉश करने से सारा इंप्रेशन वॉश आउट हो जाए.
घड़ी.
पहले
We have to tag घड़ी.
विश्वास करें.
These are the
So
people.
wonderful. So this session was all about letting our audience know what they are in for on the Friday, 3rd of October at 9:30 p.m. on our Instagram account, not on Facebook. We are moving to Instagram for this wonderful stand-up comedy put up by the teachers for the teachers. And for this, Jen, if you could just help us as to how easy or how difficult it is to have your own Insta account.
So the reason why we chose Instagram Live is because, see, the easier option would be to do this on Zoom and edit it and then, put a very clean cut on Facebook for everyone to watch. But it won't be fair. I want my participants to experience what it is to go live. And I also want the audience to feel that buzz, to feel that live, to feel the live atmosphere. We obviously, when they go on stage, and I wish that in the future, they all go on stage, they hit the stage soon.
Oh yeah, I'm getting a call from Netflix. Sorry, 1 minute.
Oh!
Good one.
Them later. I'll talk to them later. This is important. Yeah.
Yeah, we may probably take their call later.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
So, when you go on stage for a stand-up comedian, you have to face a lot of hecklers as well. That's a part of the process. So the second best that we could do is go and do an Insta Live. That whole adrenaline that you will have while being on the live event. Oh, I'm next and I'm going to perform. I want to give our participants a feel of that. And I also want to give the audience a feel of live. And Saturday night, just pour a drink, water, and watch your show. Enjoy it. So
Yes.
It's very, very easy. Teachers, this year you've achieved a lot when it came to technology, because you had to completely go online and teach online, and you cracked it. You're doing a great job. Going on Instagram is very, very simple. You just need to create an Instagram handle in case you don't have one, and follow Teachers Help Teachers. And on Saturday at 9:30, you will see the live event at our stories. If you still find it difficult, just Google it. Google is our best friend. Google how to make an Instagram handle.
गूगल और अमेजोन हैंडल तो अमेजोन पे मिलेगा.
See?
तो
This
फ्लिपकार्ट
is what you're going to miss if you don't come live. This is exactly what you're going to miss. So, Amazon and Google. Just search for how to create your
Handle?
Instagram handle.
Handle?
It takes you 5 minutes to create your own handle. And please follow Teachers Help Teachers so that you get your reminder that Teachers Help Teachers is live right now, you know. So do that. And we have our biker here as well. Meenakshi ma'am, tell us about you. Go on.
क्या सुनोगे जानी, कभी साथ चलो. जट दी बोल्ट ते ठंडी हवाओं दे झोंके ते नाले चलो, पीवांगे लस्सी इकट्ठे बह के. So
Audience,
मुझे हवा आ रही है, already मुझे हवा आ रही है.
we may not be able to hear your whistles, but we will be able to feel your virtual whistles. I want you whistling, cheering, commenting, and all of that. Support our teachers. They're doing something that's out of the box, and they're really shedding all the inhibitions and trying something that's really, really brave. So I really want you.
तो संदूक के बाहर आ गए हैं, अब तो ताली बजा दो, बनता है.
Oh, bag.
I know.
Go back to your Hindi teacher.
से निकाल के सीधा Instagram live पे हमें catch कीजिए. All you need to do is create an Instagram handle. If you don't have one, takes you 5 minutes. We have made such a big, massive effort. You could make a little effort too. And there are some gifts, Rakhi, for the first 50 followers. What is it? So the next 2 days, the first 50 followers will get over to Rakhi.
They will get a big pat on the back. No. We have some gifts. We have the THT mugs, and we also have the THT Teachers Have Teachers black and golden T-shirts to be given away. So yeah, the stage is all ours, and we're just waiting for our followers. Let's see how far they reach.
Yes. So do create your Insta handle in case you don't have one. Follow THT, Teachers Help
India.
Teachers India.
India.
Teachers Help Teachers India on Instagram, and be there to watch us live. Or you'll miss
Absolutely.
out.
Be there, support us, cheer, and don't forget your whistle with your glass of
Water.
whiskey. Oh, sorry, water.
H2O.
H2O. Yes.
And then
absolutely.
you can add the alphabets later on. It starts with H2O. Then
It starts with H2O, and you can go on. So we will be looking forward to be performing live on the 3rd of October on our Instagram handle at Teachers Help Teachers India at 9:30 p.m. And if everything goes well and tech is supporting us, we are going to be putting up a great show, and we all are already prepared. And as Genevieve rightly pointed out, we have broken all our inhibitions. तो टेक ने तो हमारी ले ही ली है, अब हम लेने वाले हैं टेक की. So yes, be there, watch us, support us.
Rakhi, we have so many gods in India. Do we have a god for internet speed? See, so please pray to the god of internet if there is one to help us on Saturday. Also, we will need all of that. But other than that, I'm not worried about anything. I think the performance is going to rock. You will really enjoy it.
नेट देवता की जय हो.
शनि देवता की जय हो. शनि
नेट
देवता
देवता की जय हो.
Net devta.
जय हो.
All right, so this is Rakhi Chabria with our Twinkle Twinkle Massive Stars.
Yes.
And we take your permission to sign off and see you all live on our Instagram handle at, can we say it, ladies?
9:30 p.m.
3rd at Teachers Help Teachers India.
India.
Teachers Help Teachers India.
Yes.
Absolutely. Thank you everyone for watching us, and for those who watch us later, don't forget to catch us live to perform this wild stand-up comedian by the teachers for the teachers. Thank you everyone.
5 ka punch.
Waiting for my principal also to join in.
Oh yes. Do you want us to send? Do you want us to send them an invite?
She's already excited. She wants to. The whole school is comical anyways. So,
Very nice. That's so nice to see your principal supporting you.
Yes,
That's
yes,
wonderful.
yes.
That's really wonderful.
nice.
सोनाली आप रेजिग्नेशन दे रहे हो कि क्या है? आप हो? ओके ठीक है. नहीं मुझे लगा एसआर के अभी क्या स्कूल में पढ़ाने की जरूरत नहीं है एसआर के.
तो जाना ही
अलग टाइप का SR के, ये स्कूल वाला SR के है.
और क्या
स्कूल
पढ़ा लिखा वाला
Ground
SR
test जैसे होते हैं ना वैसे स्कूल डे.
पढ़ा लिखा एसआर के.
पढ़ा लिखा.
All right, ladies, we shall continue our madness and we shall be live on 3rd of October at 9:30 p.m. See ya.
See ya.
Yeah.
Catch you.